Hello everybody, I'm Built Customs. So I picked up this Ford Econoline van for some wheels, and then I decided let's make a project out of it. So I went ahead, tore it apart, as you can see, and then I started testing wheels, but then later I realized I just wanted to eliminate the whole base. But as you can see, I tried to fit these wheels. They look great, but it's just not the vibe I was going for. So here I painted it a two-tone gray and blue, and then I went ahead and added this dark blue stripe just to give it more of the 70s vibe. Here I put a acrylic sheet for the back glass because it didn't have one originally, and then I painted the base silver, and in a minute you'll see that I cut off the front ends of the base and I made a wooden base. So there you can see I cut off the front bumper and the back bumper and just glued them onto the post. Here you can see it all together almost. So I went and made a wood base out of balsa wood. I tried to make some suspension, but it didn't work out too well. So there you can see the front bumper is just glued to the post and it fits fine. So I got rid of the old suspension, painted it black, and the ride height is just perfect, as you can see. I think the van turned out great, but that's it for this time. We'll see you next time.